It's officially the most romantic day of the year. Are Friuli Venezia Giulia dwellers celebrating St. Valentine's?
Okay, so I'm not really celebrating this year because I'm single, but I'm still enjoying by myself and my friends, all my single friends. So that's it.
For St. Valentine's, I think I will be outside of Trieste during the day, but in the evening I will meet my girlfriend. So I will spend with her some hours in a party with some friends.
We usually don't celebrate St. Valentine's. Sometimes get out for dinner, but not during the festivity.
For us, celebrate every day.
I don't like celebrate the Valentine's Day.
I'm actually single, so I'm not actually celebrating tomorrow.
Siamo qua a Trieste e andremo in Slovenia domani a celebrare San Valentino. Sì, sì.
Faremo un giro come facciamo di solito e andiamo a mangiare.
Celebrating St. Valentine.
Well, actually, we already celebrate today because I proposed my girlfriend. Yes.
And I said yes.
At the Miramare Castle.
Excited?
Yes, I'm excited and I'm feeling well.